ran out of time with the light. I didn't have my gear, so here we are. But let's take a look at the Yeezys in like a totally different setting. Like, Alright, let's get this video finished. Damn. What the hell is that? Okay, let me get you guys out of here. Oops. Okay. I gotta be honest with you guys. Gotta be honest. I don't have much of an on foot this video. It is what it is. I just don't have much of an on foot. I'm trying to stagger these videos out creatively, so it's a little difficult trying not to be redundant, if that makes any sense to you filmmakers out there. So I've got the shoes. Here's the shoe, and I know you want to see them on my feet, and I just showed you a little bit of that, so I'll put them back on. My socks are not as interesting as they were yesterday, but they're just I wish I would have got these a little sooner, like maybe a month ago before they actually dropped. You know, views would have been better, but they're good. They're from Kicks for Days, so no problem. Real quick, I got to tell you something. I'm gonna ask you guys for something. How about the DMPs? Where are they at? Somebody else is trying to send them to me. I don't want them to send me the DMPs. I'm waiting for you guys. I'll take them. Whatever we got to do. I'm not begging. I'm just saying. All right. Let's get this video done. I got several more. The heck is that? Hold on. The hell? What is that? The heck is that? Extra laces. Should I put these in for you guys? Hit the like button if I should put these in. Go ahead. Alright, let's do it. Okay, let's talk about the Air Jordan. What are these? Black toe lows. And I do like them, and you guys probably heard me say it too many times where I got them from. And this shoe, they came out a couple weeks ago, and I didn't try, and I wasn't heartbroken about it. I think everybody's waiting for these, and these might be a little bit more favored than this pair, these are cool though. I really do like these. And the lows these days, these are actually more of the Jordans that I would wear like out on the streets, the low tops, because they just feel a lot better. If you're gonna do a lot of walking and standing, I would suggest this, wear a low out, even though the highs are good too, but the low is just easier to get into. It's just a better overall shoe for day-to-day usage, I'll say. I even think some of the Travis Scott lows, like, they kind of took over. Like, the lows are more popular than everything that he's ever made. But with these, they're pretty cool. They're just kind of, I don't want to say boring, they're just so traditional is what I'll say. They're very, very traditional, and they sold out. They definitely sold out. And again, what do you guys think about the red laces? Of course, the red laces are a little bit too much for me. I think some sail laces, maybe some white laces would be cool, but just to keep these nice and traditional, I'm going to stick with just the black laces. These were made pretty well. I mean, they're made exactly how they should be. The insole, it wasn't polyurethane. It was like the mid-grade stuff that they're using nowadays. It's kind of floppy, but it's really soft, so it works. The shoe is comfortable, and I think I'm going to start going and half size up in Jordan 1s just to test something. Like, I think the 9.5 days might be over. This is the pair I was talking about, the Starfishes, and I really like this pair. Wish I could find them. But that's pretty much it for the review. If I had to rate it, I give them about a good 8 because I know I would wear this shoe consistently. It goes with everything if you're into the style. But what do we got here? I thought there was something on here. Maybe not. I think I was wrong. That was another pair, but these are good, man. Make sure you follow me on IG. Got like 8 more videos coming up. Then I'm going to take a little break, but just stay tuned, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.